Maria Marcelo from 3D Marketing Management. So now we will have a brief introduction on ICC. Integrated Corporate Communication or ICC is a strategic approach that unifies all internal, external, and marketing communications. By aligning messages with an organization's mission, vision, and values, ICC builds trust, strengthens reputation, and enhances stakeholders' relationship. So today I will explain first is the number one, what ICC is. Number two, why it's so important for us as students and future professionals. Number three, the three main types of ICC. Number four, real life examples that brings it to life. And number five, the golden principles we must keep in mind. Integrated corporate communication ensures that all company messages, from advertising and PR to internal updates, financial reports, customer service, and social media, work together in harmony. The key is integration, meaning everything is joined into one clear, consistent voice, instead of different departments sending conflicting messages. All audiences, employees, customers, investors, media, and the public hear the same story tailored to them. This unified approach builds clarity, credibility, and trust. Second, why should students learn ICC? Now, here's the big question. Why should students like us even care? You might be thinking, well, I'm not running a company yet. True, but communication isn't limited to CEOs or PR teams, right? It's something we all do every day. Here's why ICC matters to us. Number one, building reputation. Whether you're applying for a job, pitching an idea, or even posting online, you are creating a personal brand. If your words, action, and online presence don't match, people might notice, or people will notice. ICC teaches us to present ourselves consistently and professionally. Number two, avoiding miscommunication. In any workplace, miscommunication can cause serious problems, lost deals, unhappy customers, even conflicts among employees. Learning ICC gives us the tools to communicate clearly and prevent misunderstandings. Number three, creating trust. Trust is the currency of the relationships, personal or professional. Employers, colleagues, and clients all want to work with someone who's communicate honestly and consistently. Think about it like, even if you don't work in communications, you'll always be sending messages. For example, through your emails, presentation, social media, or networking. By understanding ICC, you learn how to align your messages so people take you seriously. In short, ICC is not just a business skill, it's a career skill and even a life skill. The types of ICC. ICC usually falls into three main categories. Let's break them down. Number one, internal communication. The flow of information within a company through meetings, newsletter, training, or chats. It keeps employees motivated, aligned, and strengthens their role as brand ambassadors. Number two, external communication. The exchange of information with audiences outside the company, such as customers, investors, suppliers, media, or government. It shapes the company's image and builds stakeholder relationships. Number three is marketing communication. Focus on promoting products and services through ads, social media, sponsorships, and branding. It drives awareness, engagement, and sales. Now, these three types may seem separate, but the whole point of ICC is that they are connected. If your marketing campaign says, we care about sustainability, but your internal communication doesn't educate employees on it, you will risk inconsistency. Examples of integrated corporate communication. Let's make this concrete with some examples. First is the internal communications example. An IT company briefs employees via town halls and emails before a product launch, making them feel included and prepared. Second is the external communication example. Is the Apple releases press statements, updates their investors, and change staffs alongside iPhone ads to ensure the consistency. Third is the marketing communication. And their example is that Nike's Just Do It. Its campaign delivered the same empowering message across TV, digital, and social media. And the most common one is the Coca-Cola. Internally, employees live the happiness brand, while externally, the press releases stress community and sustainability. Marketing reinforces joy everywhere. That is the beauty of integration. It creates recognition, trust, and loyalty. This is the key principle of ICC. So what do we need to remember when practicing ICC? Here are the four golden principles. Number one is consistency. All messages should reflect the same brand identity across every channel and interaction. Number two is clarity. Keep communication simple and direct to avoid confusion. Number three is credibility. Be honest and deliver on promises. Trust once broken is hard to regain. Number four is audience focus. Tailor tone, channel, and style to fit employees, customers, or investors. Here's a tip. Before sending any message, ask yourself three questions. Is it consistent? Is it clear? Is it credible? If the answer is yes, then you're practicing a good ICC or integrated corporate communication. Integrated corporate communication or ICC keeps every message clear, consistent, and connected. It builds strong brands, loyal customers, and motivated employees while helping future professionals earn trust and credibility. In today's noisy world, ICC makes messages stand out. Consistency isn't luck, it is integrated corporate communication.